PinEye. All is one, one is all.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to PinEye. Today, we're exploring staking, what it is, how it works, and why it's a smart way to earn passive income. Let's jump in. What is staking? Staking lets you lock up your tokens and earn rewards over time, like earning interest from a savings account. It's a way to support the blockchain network while getting more tokens in return. Sounds good, right? How does it work? You stake your tokens in a crypto wallet or on a platform, and they get locked for a set period. In return, you earn rewards based on the amount and duration of your stake. The longer you stake, the more you earn. Why stake? Passive income without selling your tokens. Price stability by reducing the circulating supply. Bonus rewards for long-term holders. It's a smart way to grow your crypto. Final thoughts. Thinking about staking your tokens? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto content. See you next time on PinEye.